hot girl walk. This is like my favorite trail, one of my favorite trails that we go to. Feels good to just get out. The weather is excellent. It's a good day. And then I'm off tomorrow, leading up to my birthday. And then tomorrow is nail day. Like, I'm excited. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my walk. And I'll talk to y'all in a bit.
On a workout outfit, it just helps to make me feel so much more put together and hold everything together really nice. As you're doing that thing, I know that whenever I have those days, I always feel just so energized the next day.
Today's Wednesday. Man, today has been like the most chill off day. I showed y'all a little bit of my morning when I was cleaning up and stuff, but I basically took like a 3-hour nap and it was a good ass day. Like, it was a good ass day. But yeah, so I just pulled up to my nail salon. I'm about to get my birthday nails. Girls, I'm gonna try to do the cat eye Frenchies. If I don't like my nails, like y'all, this is my birthday set. You feel me? So if I don't like it, we're really gonna have a problem. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and say hey because I know I didn't really talk today. It probably was just a whole bunch of like clips of me doing stuff. We're about to go get our nails done. I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on and we'll see how this goes. Hello, get feeling. I'm feeling. Bitch, they turned out so fucking good. Oh, it's hot. It is so hot. I need to put y'all on the actual tripod so they don't fall the fuck over. Whew. So let's check out the nails, bitch. I'll have to show y'all in the sun, but I did the cat eye base with the French in, I think it's butter and biscuits or biscuits and butter. I don't know, but it's like a really soft pink. I mean, soft yellow. Hell yeah, bitch. But yeah, so as I was walking out, my mans was like, they ordered halal for dinner. So I don't have to worry about getting any food or anything. I'm about to just go home and enjoy my day. What I want to do tonight is have like a little self-care night. I want to use those under eye patches tonight. I think that'd be super, like a really cute little because I just got my nails done. Have like a cute little self-care night. Which I love my nails. They look so cute. Alright, but yeah, I'm about to get out of here. Oh, and then I have like a couple TikToks to finish because I was supposed to be doing like this transition. I was supposed to be vlogging in there. I forgot. I had the damn camera in my damn lap and still forgot that I was vlogging. So my bad, y'all. Y'all, I just got out the shower. I feel so good. I'm about to put the eye patches on with y'all, but I just wanted to show y'all the food because the food came in. We got the halal. We usually get the lamb with rice, tomatoes, cucumbers, the white sauce. Can't think of what else is in there. But yeah, we're about to eat. Let me go get the eye patches. Alright, y'all. I got the eye patches on. I'm about to eat my food. The kids are watching Moana. And yeah, I'll probably pick y'all up. I'm not doing anything else. Yeah, but I don't think I have anything else going on. So yeah, I'll probably pick y'all up whenever